Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable sync in Windows 11 and 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded up and ready to go. Once your PC has completely booted and you can see your desktop, you're ready to begin the process of disabling sync. To start, you'll need to access the Windows control panel. Click on the Windows Start icon located at the bottom left of your screen and type in Control Panel. As you type, the search results will appear and you'll see Control Panel listed at the top. Go ahead and click on it to open the Control Panel window. Once the Control Panel opens, you'll be presented with an All Control Panel Items view that displays various Windows settings and configuration options. This is where you can access different system features and make adjustments to how your computer operates. Take a moment to scan through the options available here. Now look for an option called Sync Center among the Control Panel items. This is the central location where Windows manages all synchronization activities between your computer and network files or offline content. Once you spot Sync Center, click on it to access your sync settings. This will open a new window dedicated specifically to managing how your files and data sync across different locations. Within the Sync Center window, direct your attention to the left-hand menu panel. Here you'll see several options related to sync management. Look for an option labeled Manage Offline Files and click on it. This feature controls whether Windows keeps offline copies of network files and how synchronization between online and offline versions is handled. It's an important setting for managing storage and data access on your computer. After clicking on Manage Offline Files, a new dialog box will appear with several tabs at the top. Make sure you're on the General tab, which should be selected by default. This tab contains the primary controls for enabling or disabling the offline files feature entirely. On the General tab, you'll see a button that says Disable Offline Files. Simply click on this button to turn off sync on your Windows 11 computer. By disabling this feature, you're preventing Windows from automatically syncing and storing offline copies of network files, which can help free up storage space and reduce background sync activity. And that's it! You've successfully disabled sync in Windows 11 and 10 by turning off the offline files feature through the Sync Center. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.